Mark Sanko. Parito, libre na naman para sa dress. Gets it to go. Omar, open free. AC all day to shoot. It's good. C. Salenga, the answer. Backs it in. One. Soberano will launch. Will get it to go from downtown.
Pasay, what a pass!
Manligues, the fake. The basket plus the foul. 4 points, 89-85. Galinato, jump shot. Short.
Omar will be fouled.
That's a hard foul.
Yeah.
Omar still down. Soriano falls down. Bodies on the floor. In fact, 4 bodies. At nagkarambola na sila doon. He got punched from underneath. And Coronel. 1 second left. And Cyrus Tabi. Move. Kick out. Open free. J.R. Chavez. It's good! That was a...
Step back and kiss myself. Big time plays, big time plays.
Aniban that led to the air ball on top by Colliar. He's been an important part of this Pasay run. But Galinato first, because kung natawagan ng fourth foul yun, baka nilabas siya. Mapapahaga yung pagpasok mo kay Orlan sa fourth quarter. But what an answer for San Juan to start this quarter. Their first three, tulad na nabanggit mo, para maging double digit ulit yung lamang nila, pero masyadong maaga.
Salenga will not force it up. Pinasa kay Mark Sanko. Parito, libre na naman para sa dress. Gets it to go.
But that's the thing. Pasay giving up open shots, a lot of open shots. And ito, turnover. Cyrus will finish. Yes.
A righteous finish from off those miscues para sa Pasay. Galinato, jump shot, short. A push from behind
Fortunate San Juan that they get the foul call.
for Pasay.
Pasay already with 19 points off of turnovers. That time it was off.
Corner exit again for AC. Bounce pass to Marquez. The kick out, Wamar. Open free. AC all day to shoot. It's good. Big time free from AC. Salenga, the answer. Backs it in. What a game this has turned. Rested here in the fourth. AC, floater. No. Ramos tracks it down for San Juan. Soberano will launch. Will get it to go from downtown.
There's not.
Up by 3, trying to protect their lead. Marquez, swing pass. Soberano, his third free of the quarter. And he has a total of 18 points. Minute and 30 left in regulation. Parito. Pump fake. Will stand one through. 20 points for Christian Parito. Mar, for the most part, has been silent here. Now he makes his move.
Palpal yata inabot doon kay Soriano.
Pasay a chance to tie or take the lead for the very first time here in this game. Sanko for free. Short. Soriano falls down. Bodies on the floor. In fact, 4 bodies scrambling for that one basketball. At nagkarambola na sila doon. Oh wow, Galinato is visibly heated up. And Coronel also in the fray. And AJ Coronel claiming that he got punched from underneath by John Galinato. Crucial review.
A lot of contact, obviously. Ayun. There's a little something there. Napagsakan ni Coronel itong si Galinato. And then, something happened there. Hindi na natin makita, no?
This might be a better angle.
Multiple whistles already during this time. Galinato on the floor. The
It
first
is a
half.
double technical foul between number 9, AJ Coronel, and number 11, John Galinato, both for unsportsmanlike behavior.
With Cyrus Tabi.
Key thing here is San Juan is in penalty, and that's why Tabi Attack, but sorry, miss at the rim.
For this one. So let's see.
Galliano. Hand off to JR Chavez. Salenga
We're taking
makes his
too
move.
long.
Kick out, open free, JR Chavez. It's good! That was a broken play, Coach Chris. But they made it happen. Time. Cuellar gets it to Orlan Wamar. 5 seconds remaining on an island against AJ Coronel. Wamar makes his move. Puts it up. No good. And we are going into OT. 9 of his 18 points in the fourth quarter. Soyod is free inside. Nice feed from Orlan Wamar.
Not just the defense. Pasok pa lang ng toll gate. Papasok ng Nueva Ecija. Nagbabago na yung birth certificate. Manligues! Dire-diretso!
Si Darren Manligues, Cuellar, and Orlan Wamar.
Probably to match up against the two guards also of Chavez Jr. and Manligues, not Soberano. He's had the hot hand since the start of the fourth. Beautiful passing by Pasay. Manligues to Coronel to Soriano.
Skip past Cuellar. His turn of a three.
That's
Still no
a shot.
go.
That's a shot you want to give up if you're Pasay. And here's Pasay. What a pass!
Manligues, the fake, the basket plus the foul. Pasay takes their first lead of the ball game. 8 points. He will drive. And he gets fouled. 2 free throws coming up for Orlan Wamar. Yeah, you can sense it. Chavez can't shake off Gamboa though. Manligues with 5 on the shot clock. Pulls up for 3. It will roll out. Chavez grabs the offensive rebound. He will pull it back out. About a 5-second differential between shot and game clock.
Gusto talaga ni Chavez eh.
Way off though. 9 seconds left. Santo deflects it out of bounds.
2-3 months ago.
5 months ago.
5 months ago with a game winner. Wamar has the basketball now.
1 second left. And Simon Stabi almost got it in. Not sure if it would have counted had it gone in. But
With Pasay getting the first possession and the first turnover, Wamar will be fouled.
that's a hard foul.
Yeah, and a
Wamar.
hard fall too.
Chavez and was that Coronel giving chase? Wamar still down.
The fall was hard. Let's see if the cause was, on the face. This is going to be an unsportsmanlike foul.
Yeah.
But I don't think Coronel was going for the head. I thought he was trying to go for the ball. It just so happened.
AJ Coronel is third.
It's a normal foul.
Just regular foul, yeah.
On their shot clock. Tabi tries to wiggle free. Nice pass. Manligues for free. It's a long 2-point shot for Daryl Manligues. His foot on the line. And floor for Daryl Manligues. Oh, what a shot fake. Manligues draws closer, gets it back. Salenga reloads, got fouled by Nico Panganiban while taking a 3.
Feels like San Juan is in a state of shock.
Right points 89-85. Wamar attacks and will head to the line again for 2 free throws.
Like every time he has the basketball, he's been in control of every possession except that one.
Naagaw ni Orlan Wamar. Kick out. Soberano for the lead. It's good! AC with 8 triples for a total of 24 points.
To take the lead.
Santo kick out. Chavez tries another one. It will bounce out again. Villapando with a rebound. Wamar fakes, drives, another fake. The pass to Arvin Gamboa who draws closer, got bumped. And Soriano giving up that foul.
Sign here for Jasper Salenga. In that zipper action, he's going to take a 3.
For free, it will roll out. Soyo the rebound.
They need to foul.
Tabi. Binigay kay Josh Galliano. kick out. Manligues had to adjust that shot, and that's gonna do it. San Juan surviving that spirited rally by the Pasay Voyagers, and they will take game number 1. But boy, if there's any indication of how this game has turned out, game number 2 will not be easy.
You don't like that! You don't like NBA basketball!